Hey there, it's Moon from Slothy Nomads, and today I'm going to talk about marking where you fly your drone from to help you if you do drone videos. Because what used to happen, I would fly my drone everywhere, and we could be driving, 6, 8, 10 hours in a day. I'd stop and go, this looks like a cool place to fly my drone. Pop it on the hood or on the roof, fly it, put it away, you know, maybe a week later, download the video, then I'd be like, where was I? So that was a problem because when you make a video, you want to say where you're filming from. And so what I did was I figured out that there was this place on the internet called what3words.com, and it's also an app on your phone. So it basically, and I'll show you on the computer here how they mark 3 meter by 3 meter squares with a 3 word combination that is unique to that square. So it's easier to show you than it is to explain it. So I'm going to share my screen here. And this is from the What Three Words website. And if you see this grid overlay right here, it's 3 meter by 3 meter squares all over everywhere. And I'm just going to play this video real quick to kind of show you what they're talking about. So if you see right here, this is a 3 meter square and it's in Barcelona, Spain. So if you go to what3words.com and you type in remotes.rested.bagels, it's going to take you to that place in Spain. And it's the only place like that on earth. And, also on the beach in South Africa. It's really a powerful tool to take away the ambiguity, and it's really cool, and I'll show you kind of a practical application of it. So right here is a drone flight, and if you look at this place right here where the car is, this spot right here, if you go over, and I'm going to go back to the first of the video, this is phenomenal.brothers.streaming. So if I go back to, let's pull up what 3 words, and let's talk about, let's see, I think you can just type them in right here. And let's see, Phenomenal Brothers Streaming. So you click right here, and it shows you right where it is. And it's this parking spot right here, which is where my car was in the other one. This is a Google video. And back here, let's see, where was I? Yeah, so if you look right here, that's that parking spot. So now I put that on the front of my videos. So if you've seen that on my videos and you're like, I don't know what that means, that's what it means. Now you can go and you can see exactly where I'm filming from. And so What Three Words is a great resource if you're mapping anything out. If you're saying, okay, this is my current location, I'm going to use it to tell people where I fly my drones from. Anything. I mean, if you need any designation of a certain spot down to about 3 meters by 3 meters, which is almost 10 feet by 10 feet, then it's the app for you. So that's all I got. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up, and if you like this channel, please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.